In a community, we stay together, help each other. In a community, we stay together, help each other. Let's take a walk through, look around and say, who are these people who help us every day? There's an architect who makes our home perfect, an electrician to fix the fan and light. In a community, we stay together, help each other. There's a tailor for our clothes to wear, and a barber to cut and trim our hair. There's a cobbler for the shoe repair, and a driver to take us everywhere. In a community, we stay together, help each other. There's a gardener who grows plants and trees, and a sweeper who cleans up the streets. There's a shopkeeper who keeps the things we need, and a baker who gives us yummy treats. In a community, we stay together, help each other. There's a teacher to teach all lessons, and a doctor to give us medicines, and policeman to keep a check throughout.